One of the ways to create a QuickAdd patient in your system is by creating an appointment. We will select our appointment option from our left-hand toolbar. This will bring up our patient list. From here, there is a QuickAdd button that we'll be able to select. This will generate our QuickAdd pop-up. You'll need to enter in the information that is marked with an asterisk. This will be the first name, the last name, the telephone number, the location the patient's going to be seen at or their primary location, and then the referral source. Any other information is additional and can be inputted depending on your clinic and your workflow. But once all of the mandatory information has been entered, you can hit the Create option here. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to reach out with any questions you may have.